Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this Linux series, our next video is about echo command. Echo is mainly used to display the output in terminal. There are lots of uses in echo. You may use echo many times in your life if you are using Linux as your primary OS. So let's start. Here I am typing echo I am rock coder. Here it displays the value in output. In our previous Linux commands, we saw about flags like that. Here echo is also have some flags. Here echo -e. Here we are using e because in strings we use some backslash characters to display the output in different view. I am raw coder. Here we are going to add some backslash character /b /b. Here /b removes the one character before the slash. Here you can see that all the spaces are removed, and the next thing we are going to use new line. For that, instead of b we need to use n. Here each words are printed in new line. The next one is t. This is used to make one tab space between the characters, at which place we are using the /t. Here you can see that a tab space is applied in between them. And now we are going to use V to display the output in vertical. Here the output is displayed like this. And the next one is /r. This will remove the previous strings before the /r. Let's use that. Here I am removing all the V and adding only one /r. Here you can see it only displays raw coder. The strings I am is removed. Like R, we have C to remove that comes after the backslash character. Here it displays only I am, the raw coder is gone. And the next one is /a. This is used to make a sound like a. Like ls, we can also able to use echo to display all the files and folders in our current directory. For that we need to use star. Here it displays all the files and folders. Here it displays only the files which have the word doc. And one of the main thing to use echo is to redirect our output to a new file. In touch, we created a new file without a content. In echo, we can able to create a file without any content, or we can able to redirect output to a file. For that, echo the coder. Here I am going to create ECH file. Here I am displaying them. If I try to store another string in a file using the same method, then the previous string will be removed. Cat ch. Here you can see the previous string I am raw coder is removed and the Indian new string is stored, because this greater than symbol remove all the content in the file and store the content in the file, or if the file is not already created, it will create a new file and store the content to the file. If I need to add a new string and I need the previous string to be there, then I can use append. For that, you need to use double greater than symbol. Here you can see that the previous content is also there and our current content is there. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.